monitors the financial health of the banks. If the financial health of a bank worsens beyond the limit set, the RBI puts the bank under a special watch category and imposes certain restrictions on it. For example, they will find whether the bank is making loss. If one quarter they make loss, no problem. Second quarter, at least if they make profit, all right. If they continuously make loss for 3 quarters, then they will be put on notice. The bank has to follow corrective action till it comes to health. It has to make improvement in various areas. RBI assumes the power to push for changes in the bank considered necessary. RBI assesses and monitors the banks on the basis of the following. Kindly remember carefully. Number one, capital. The bank should have enough capital indicators to be tracked for capital or capital adequacy ratio and or common tier 1 equity. Capital adequacy ratio is the ratio of the capital to risk weighted assets of the bank. It is also known as capital to risk weighted asset ratio, CRAR. So first point, कैपिटल अच्छा होना चाहिए. जो बैंक को प्रॉम्प्ट करेक्टिव एक्शन इन्वॉल्व करते हैं उनका पास प्रॉपर CAR नहीं है. देन asset quality indicators to be tracked is non-performing assets. Net NPA ratio is calculated. It is a ratio of net NPA to net advances. The bank should have lower NPAs. जो बैंक को corrective action, prompt corrective action we are bringing, those banks will be having lot of NPAs and their net NPAs will be more. Profitability indicator to be tracked, return on assets. It is the percentage of profit after tax to average of total assets. The bank should have higher return on assets. Leverage indicator to be tracked is tier 1 leverage ratio. Of course these are all very technical. इतना आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, खाली आप ये बोलने से हो जाएगा. Banks which are incurring continuous losses or not being run properly, the Reserve Bank of India brings certain restrictions and brings them under prompt corrective action, whereby there are restrictions on their making further big advances in their making a recruitment and opening new branches, etc. Once the bank is able to come out of the problem areas, the prompt corrective action will be removed. Could you understand, all of you? It's a good question. Ramanpreet, could you follow?
Yes,
Yeah, good, excellent. Now we will move on to the next question. Who has not talked so far? I have not asked Nikita. Nikita Moore. Nikita ji. Nikita. Excuse me.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Nikita, you are from which place?
I am from Thane, Maharashtra.
You are from which place? Pani.
Thane, Maharashtra.
Thane, Maharashtra. Oh. What is Thane? Thane के बारे में बताओ.
Sir, Thane is a city. City located near Mumbai. It connects various parts of Mumbai, like Navi Mumbai and other suburban areas. It is also one of the city of lakes. It has around 35 lakes, and it is also famous for street foods, etc.
इतना ही बोल सकते हैं आप.
And sir, the first passenger train was started in 1953 from Thane to Boribandar, Mumbai. It is a city of
Very
Thane.
good, very good. Are you proud of your Bombay?
Sir, yes, I am very proud of where I live.
Good. Yeah, you were born there only?
No, sir, actually, I born at my mom's home, mother's home.
Oh.
But I come to Yevla Taluka of Nashik district. That
Oh.
is my village.
Okay, good. Excellent. Thane. Who is your MLA or MP?
Sir, our MLA is Mr. Naresh Maske, I guess. Naresh Maske. I haven't read, updated it.
Oh.
But Naresh Maske
Who is
is,
MP?
is
MP.
our mayor.
Oh, no, MP कौन है? Member of Parliament.
Sir, I haven't updated it. I haven't read about it.
तब तो
Sorry,
आपको
sir.
महाराष्ट्र का फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर का नाम भी नहीं जानते हैं.
सर, मैंने अब तक वो अपडेट नहीं किया है. मैंने चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर वो किया है अपडेट. बट अजित पवार मस्ट बी अजित पवार.
पढ़ा नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है. बताइए व्हाट इज योर डिग्री?
सर, BE इन बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग.
अरे भाई, बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग. ओ बाबा, हाँ, इतना बड़ा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा है क्या जी?
यस.
आप तो बॉम्बे में रहते हैं, क्यों इतना पुअर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन रखा है आपने?
सर, आई
You are
Sorry,
with
sir.
you are with Jio or with broadband?
a broadband. It is a Wi-Fi network. I don't know. I'm sorry.
अच्छा, you are using only cell phone internet?
No, sir. It is a Wi-Fi.
अच्छा, which company का वाईफाई?
KKM network.
ओहो,
KKM network.
अच्छा, बहुत कम. अच्छा नहीं है, अच्छा देता नहीं है. आप लोग का जगह पर एयरटेल वगैरह नहीं मिलता है अच्छा वाला?
Sir, it may be my phone's problem also because 4 साल हो गए फोन को, तो मे भी उसका भी थोड़ा स्लो हो सकता है.
ओहो, अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. यू आर सपोर्टिंग योर इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
यस सर.
आपका पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
मेरे डैड अभी कुछ काम नहीं करते देखा जाए तो, क्योंकि उनकी कंपनी 2017 में बंद हो गई थी. एंड फिर अभी वो फार्मिंग करते हैं, सीजनल फार्मर है, कभी कभी फार्मिंग करते हैं.
अच्छा अच्छा.
और मेरी मॉम एक मेड है.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज द वर्क शी इज डूइंग?
मेड वो वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स
Oh.
ऑफ पीपल
Oh.
एंड अदर डस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज आल्सो.
Oh God, that means your parents have been taking lot of pressure in bringing you up to this level. Biomedical yeah. अच्छा, आपने कितना मार्क लिया जी बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग में?
Sir, it actually I missed first class by a few points. I scored around 59%, sir.
No problem. Don't feel bad about it. Say, when did you complete your degree?
Sir, I completed my degree in 2017.
उसका बाद में कई एग्जाम पर आप इंटरव्यू तक गया है?
नहीं सर, मैंने 2017 में क्लियर किया. अभी मैंने बैंकिंग प्रिपरेशन मार्च 2019 से स्टार्ट की थी, अप्रैल 2019 के अराउंड.
दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू यू आर अटेंडिंग?
फर्स्ट मेरा ये सेकेंड IBPS PO का प्री एंड मेंस क्लियर हुआ एंड फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू है मेरा.
IBPS RRB अटेंड किया आपने?
RRB सर मेरा प्री मिस हो गया कुछ मार्क्स से.
प्री मिस हो गया. देन उसका बाद में SBI गया आपने? नहीं,
मेंस भी तो मिस हो गया.
नाउ यू आर गोइंग फॉर IBPS PO.
यस सर, IBPS PO.
व्हिच इज योर फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस बैंक?
Sir, actually that time I put Union Bank of India at first place because I wanted to work in Mumbai only, so I thought after discussing with friends, they advised me that I should opt like the bank
but
expert.
This is all India posting, you know. You can be posted anywhere they want. Then how are you going to fit
Yes.
into this bank, you know? They may post you to somewhere like Trivandrum, the place of our Alida P. John.
Yes, sir, but when
Yeah.
it was kind of guidance also, so just after discussing with friends, I filled up preference form.
यूनियन बैंक का साथ में कौन कौन बैंक ज्वाइन हुआ है?
Uh, sir, I just forgot.
अच्छा,
Forgotten.
you have forgotten. Sonali, you know, with Union Bank, which bank merged? Sonali. Sonali ji.
Can I say that, sir?
Yeah.
Can I say?
Yeah. Please tell, Raishu.
Andhra Bank and a corporation bank.
Correct. Andhra Bank and also Corporation Bank. Reshu Garg. Andhra Bank का headquarters किधर था?
So Andhra Bank ka headquarter maybe in Kerala. I am not sure, but maybe in Kerala.
No, it was in Hyderabad.
Okay, sir.
Then Corporation Bank का headquarters was in Karnataka.
Bangalore, Karnataka.
Bangalore, Karnataka. Good. Nikita ji,
Yes, sir.
you have studied biomedical.
Yes, sir. Biomedical engineering.
Acha. Can you tell me the names of 2 vaccines that are being put to people now?
Sir, it is Covishield and Covaxin.
Which companies manufactured these?
Pfizer and Biotech.
Very good. Can you tell me the name of a famous lady in connection with biotechnology in India?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Sorry, I will update it.
Kiran Majumdar Shah.
Okay. Yes.
Biocon had.
Biocon International.
Hi,
I know only that one lady. I don't know other ladies.
Kiran.
Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा जी, आपका किस बैंक में अकाउंट है?
सर, मेरा सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में अकाउंट है.
अच्छा, सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया अभी कागज में ज्यादा आता है. क्यों आता है?
किसमें सर, आप वापस रिपीट करेंगे?
In the newspapers, his name is appearing frequently. Why?
रिसेंटली वो प्राइवेटाइजेशन के रिलेटेड भी आ रहा है कि ऐसी न्यूज़ेस तो प्राइवेटाइज हो सकता है उस रिलेटेड. एंड बाकी कुछ उसने इनिशिएटिव लिए है नाबार्ड के साथ मिलकर, तो उस रिलेटेड भी आता है.
वेरी गुड. राजनाथ सिंह कौन है जी?
सर, हमारे डिफेंस मिनिस्टर है सर.
अच्छा, गुड, वेरी गुड.
थैंक
आपको बैंक में नौकरी दे दिया, मान लीजिए.
यू सर.
10 साल का बाद में आप क्या होना चाहते हैं?
सर, मुझे बैंक में काम करते हायर पोस्ट तक जाना है एंड मुझे अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज अच्छे से निभा के अपने सोसाइटी में, अपने इकोनॉमी में अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, स्कीम्स में कंट्रीब्यूट करना है, लोगों की लाइफ में अच्छा इम्पैक्ट डालना है. तो उसके लिए मुझे बैंक से हायर पोस्ट तक पहुंचना है जहाँ मेरे एक पावर हो.
Can you tell the qualities of your close friend?
Yes, sir. I have many good friends. They are very supportive friends, and they tell me my bad qualities. They encourage me. Those are their qualities.
Can you tell me the qualities of a enemy of yours?
Sir, I don't have enemy, but there are some people who criticize me, but they are not enemy, but they criticize me, and like some criticism because it's kind of motivating sometimes.
Sometimes demotivating.
Demotivating to for a moment it's like yes. It's kind of irritating also कि why people are interfering in my life, but then it's okay.
But life is like that only, na? Because everywhere you go, we can't go alone. Now you are traveling along with other 5 people on, say, Google Meet. Never
Yes.
we can be alone, you know.
Yes, sir.
Even-
But it is natural to feel, but I don't take it in my heart. I don't get demotivated. I don't मैं अपना सब काम छोड़ नहीं देती, मैं बहुत अपने ऊपर वर्क करती
No,
हूँ.
that's because you see your family is in a very not so sound condition. Your mother is also doing work as a maid and all that. ये उनका कुछ मदद आप करते हैं? What type of help do you give for her?
हाँ, घर की कामों में मदद करती हूँ मैं, और मोस्टली और सब कुछ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वगैरह होता है, कुछ बाहर का काम उनको मतलब सब कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स निकालने हैं वगैरह, तो फिर वही मैं जाती थी जब मैं 9th या उससे पहले भी तो मैं ये सब करती थी, तो वही
Very good.
तो
You take care of all those things.
yes, sir.
अच्छा, बैंक का बारे में आपको क्या जानते हैं जी? What is a bank?
सर, बैंक एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो डिपॉजिट एक्सेप्ट करती है, लोन देती है एंड अदर सर्विसेज भी प्रोवाइड करती है. अभी रिसेंटली इंश्योरेंस वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड करती है बैंक.
Hmm.
तो वो सब जो सर्विसेज है लाइक डेबिट देन और वो सब बैंक प्रोवाइड करती है हमको. हमारे सेविंग को प्रमोट करती है.
I think you are telling in a hurry. You are not very clear. Doesn't matter. No problem. Now, yeah, I'll go to the next person. Okay, thank you. We'll go to start. First, I started with. Then I'll go to Sonali, being a senior. She is with us for three days or 4 days. Sonali ji,
Sir,
shall I ask a question for you?
sir.
What is your long-term dream?
So, my long-term dream is to be a banker.
Uh,
That's why I opted for this, and I'm working hard to get that job.
Very good. Then next question, what is CASA and what is RAFA?
Sir, CASA is credit account and saving account.
Hmm.
RAFA is recurring account and fixed deposit account.
Hmm.
So the major difference between credit account and saving account is the rate of interest provided. There's no rate of interest is provided in credit account, but is provided in saving account.
Yeah.
And then the second point is the number of transactions provided. There's a limit on the number of transactions provided in saving account. But we can do a number of transactions in current account.
Good.
Current account is basically for business purpose, and savings account is for the saving purpose. An individual can open a saving account. And in recurring account and fixed deposit account, sir, the highest rate of interest provided is in fixed deposit. And it is basically has a time period to get mature.
Now, why more interest is paid on fixed deposit?
So because a sum is a principal amount is invested in a fixed deposit, and we cannot use it until it gets matured.
No, from the angle of bank, the money is going to lie with us for a long time. So we can lend it for a long-term goal also, in which case we will get a higher rate of interest. Could you understand?
No, sir. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah. The banks are paying higher rate of interest on fixed deposits because these deposits will lie with the bank for a longer time, and so the bank can use it for longer time and make more money out of its lendings.
So can you please tell me the fixed deposit is about 7 to 1 year.
No, 7 days. 7 days
in
to
7
10
days we can generate a profit.
7 days to 1 year. 10 years.
10 years, right?
Yeah, 7 days to 10 years. And your question, can you make a profit within 7 days? That's very interesting. It's not so, but that is why they are paying very less rate of interest. They don't pay much. They pay a higher rate of interest for say 1 year or more than 1 year. Earlier and all, say about 10 years back and all, we used to get a considerable difference in interest rate between 1 year and 5 years. Nowadays there is not much of a difference.
So we can say that
Yeah.
asking about that can I get a loan on fixed deposit?
Yeah. Up to 90%, 95% some banks give. 1 minute. Loan
Sir,
on loan.
of up to how much amount I can get
That's
that
what I
loan?
am telling. Normally banks give 95% loan. Loan against fixed deposit. You can get up to, for example, I will go to State Bank of India, because I am not borrowing from banks, I don't know. But as long as I was manager, in those days we were giving only 75%. But now you are eligible for, say, 90%. 90, some banks give you 95% also. Bank of Baroda.
So,
Yeah.
if I had an FD of 3 years
Yeah.
and I want to get a loan in first year, so can I get the loan or is it
Yeah, you can
particular?
get it from the second day itself.
Okay, okay, okay.
You can get loan from the second day itself, no problem. Fixed deposits, yeah. Type of fixed deposit, short term deposit, long term deposits, and yeah, you are eligible for loan. And in my impression 90, it can be 95 also. Kindly go through any one bank, your own bank website, and get to know that. Okay.
जी sir.
Or otherwise I will tell you tomorrow. Good.
जी sir.
Sonali, fine. Now we will go to Jyoti Mishra. Jyoti Mishra ji.
Sir.
Jyoti Mishra ji. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You said you are engineer, na?
No, sir. I am BSc graduate.
BSc graduate. Tell me, what is digital banking? You are appearing for IBPS or SBI?
Sir, I couldn't clear SBI PO mains. So, sir, I am giving interview for IBPS PO.
Okay. Now tell me, what is digital banking?
Sir, digital banking refers to the banking which is not in the physical form, which takes place in the form of through internet, and is also known as online banking also.
What are
Yes,
the
sir.
different types of digital banking?
Sir, digital banking, we can say that NEFT is also a
Uh,
type, RTGS, IMPS, UPI.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
NEFT will not be told. You can tell about internet banking, mobile
Yes, sir.
banking, then card
Yes, sir.
services, then payment
Yes, sir.
services like
Okay, sir.
FASTag. All these things are called as
Digital banking.
digital banking. Can you tell
Okay,
me
sir.
something about self-service passbook printers? How they work? What is the use of that to banks?
Sorry, sir, I don't know about this.
Acha, can anyone tell me what is the use of printers? Passbook printers. Jyoti Mishra.
Yes.
Yeah. Sonali, tell me.
Sir, they are automated machines
Hmm.
and it reduces the load on banking employees.
Hmm.
As any customer who want to print see their transactions in their account or any things and or some things which can be done through the help of these machines, we can get to know about is our account is connected with our mobile phone or it is connected with our
Sorry. Sorry, you are going very much away. पासबुक प्रिंटर का काम क्या है? पासबुक का पीछे में कुछ कोड दिया होगा, वो कोड को फिल करके वो मशीन आपका अकाउंट का ट्रांजैक्शंस को प्रिंट करके देगा, बस.
Just like a ATM machine, maybe because ATM machine में भी आप नॉर्मल वर्किंग करते हैं, उसमें एक कोड के थ्रू आपकी प्रिंटिंग हो जाती है, जो आप पूछ रहे हैं सर,
खाली
कोड के थ्रू प्रिंटिंग होती है.
That is only 10 transactions you can get. You can get only 10 last 10 transactions, whereas your passbook printer will print all the remaining entries to be printed in your passbook. Sonali, could you understand now?
जी sir.
It's a very simple question only, not very tough. Because she has not seen a passbook printer, she is not able to tell. Otherwise, it's very easy. Now, next person, I will go to Jyoti Mishra over Raman Preeta. Raman Preet,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me something about FASTag electric toll? What is it?
Yes, sir. Sir, FASTag is a new concept. It is based on RFID technology, radio frequency identification.
Arey bhai,
Here,
super. Good. Are you an engineering graduate?
no, sir, commerce.
Commerce, very good. अच्छा बोला आपने. फिर और एक बार बताइए. What is that? FASTag. बताइए.
Sir, it is a new concept of making toll payments, which is based. It is a new base technology. It is based on RFID technology, that is radio frequency identification. Sir,
Super.
in this
Correct.
we do
Radio frequency identification technology, RFID. Super. Yeah, continue.
Thank you, sir. Sir, here we do not have to make the physical payments directly when we reach there, when our vehicle stops there on the counter. Automatically, the amounts get debited from that UPI or the mobile linked app of FASTag, and it becomes very easier for the personals there who are there in the counters, and it becomes convenient for the passengers as well, because there are some time when we are in a hurry, we don't have to wait there and we can go there.
Good.
Very
Correct.
easily.
यहाँ पर दिया है travel hassle free on highways, SMS alert of transactions, access to historical transactions, save fuel and time, online recharge and cashless commute. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Next
Yes, sir.
question for Raman Preet. Who is answering? Raman Preet.
Yes, sir.
Next question for you. Are robots good taking the job of humans? Is it good or bad? Robos. Have you heard what is robo?
Yes, sir.
What is robo?
Sir, sir, we are becoming digitalized nowadays, but we cannot say we are not in a position to totally rely completely on the machines or robots, because human mind is designed in a very different and unique way, sir. So we cannot rely fully, but if we are we can make a blend use of this thing, sir.
Okay. Now 1 minute.
So partially,
So do you agree with that it is useful or not? Are robots good for human beings or not? It's a very difficult question.
if- sir, totally we cannot rely upon them.
But
Up
we
to a
cannot
certain
do,
level,
we
they
cannot
can-
do away without them also. For example, during this corona days, earlier they started serving people through robo only, because they cannot go near the patients. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And now banks are also using robot, but not that much has come into our country. Good, nice. We will go to Alida ji. Alida John.
Yes, sir.
John.
Yes, sir.
Are you there? Your sound is not heard. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Please speak loudly. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Please speak
Hello,
loud.
sir.
अभी अच्छा आता है. Good. Now it's good. Are you ready to take my questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 minute. Fadafat. Just tell me one after the other. What is IPO? Quick.
Initial public offering.
SEZ.
Initial public offering.
SEZ.
It is special economic zone.
LAF.
Liquidity adjustment facility.
FII.
Foreign institutional investment.
Investors. ECGC.
Investors, sorry.
ECGC.
Export Credit and Guarantee Corporation.
What is CASA?
CASA is current account savings account.
And last question for you. Functions of RBI.
RBI is the banker to the bank. He is the authority to issue currency and to destroy currency. He is monitoring. RBI is monitoring the monetary policy and the foreign exchanges. Then lender to the last resort.
One you omitted. Note issuing authority. No? Bola, did you tell about that? No.
Yes,
Note issuing authority.
sir.
No-
Okay, sir.
Note issuing
missed that.
authority. Yeah. What did you say? What is your father?
Father is a tailor, sir.
Taylor. How many siblings do you have?
I have an younger sister.
Oh, you said she is studying. Good. Tell me good points about see, supposing we look into the history and also history of India and Kerala. In what way Kerala stands first in terms of, say, foreigners visit to India?
Sir, according to Kerala, the main revenue comes from tourism,
Okay.
and also in the budget also there is a huge amount is allocated for the tourism industry, and a lot of people is depending on tourism.
Not only that, Kerala is one state where every house will have one person residing abroad, doing non-resident. आपका घर में कोई नहीं, in your house anybody is abroad?
No, sir.
No. I think definitely there must be one person in abroad in your neighboring house. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me the brief two line of Drishyam 2.
It is Drishyam 1 was a mega hit. It was the main role was done by Mohanlal and Meena, and and Drishyam 2 is also
Is it a successful?
Is
I
yes,
think
sir,
now
it is,
it is not running
public-
in theaters now. It is running only in OTT. Correct?
it is in on OTT platforms.
What is the story? You have not come to the story yet.
It is also all about an investigation about a murder, and how a father who tried to save the family by doing some extraordinary things that even the court is failing to find the real culprit.
I mean, the story revolves around Mohanlal being responsible for a murder, then still he is able to come out of it. He came out in Drishyam 1, he came out in Drishyam 2 also, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That is the story. Now, Reshu Garg. Come on, Reshu Garg ji. Reshu Garg ji. For you, the question is,
Yes, sir.
what is NABARD? What are they doing?
So NABARD is a national bank for agriculture and rural development. That is a refinance agency for